I am going to be installing this Leviton rocker switch. I'm replacing the old switch because this one, you can't tell, but it was actually almond color. It's been painted over. And this is the quick connect style. And I'm gonna show you how to install this. And I think it's gonna update our light switch and make it look a lot better. Once the power is off and you've confirmed it, you can go ahead and remove the old switch. Now that I've got the old switch out, it's important to pay attention to which side of the switch is going to be the up, the on side, and then like this is going to be up and this is down. So on, off. So it's really important that you keep track of that. So when I take my wires off, I'm going to cut them. And when I cut them, I am just going to keep them oriented in the same direction so that it's really easy for me to find the off and on. All right, next I'm gonna use my wire strippers. Like I said, I'm gonna keep these separated. So I'm gonna use these wire strippers. This is a great little tool, and I'll try to find it and link it. And it just makes the whole thing go so fast. It's amazing. You just slide this in here and that's it. Okay, so now it's time to install the switch. So all I have to do is just take these little flaps on the side and you just pull them up till they go 90 degrees and then they kind of lock in, and then you're just going to put your wire straight in. There is a little gauge on here so you know how much to strip, and you'll feel it kind of lock in. It's not going to pull backwards out of it, and it's in there really nice and tight. And then you're going to fold your wires back up and install this switch and screw it back in. And there's our switch. I can go turn on the power and make sure that it's working, and then that's it. It's that easy. So these light switches have been so easy. I have to say they really have made the process of changing light switches in an entire house so much faster. So I'm really glad that I picked up this style.